Hello guys, it's me Angelo on Ideangelo again, and my sixth video, I call it Quezon 100 Days of Awesome. It's full of cool things here, and this I'll show you the introduction name. This is not a book. Not there. Zero. See? Okay, I'll read it now. Okay, it's a book because it's made of paper and there are words and it has a pretty nifty cover. But it's no ordinary book. Inside you'll find time travel, hot choco stains, inky thumbprints, wacky languages, paper planes, box kites, hopping frogs, brain drainers, ill-equipped mechs, dice games, and one of the Beatles punching the light out of evil Caleb. Like we said, it's no ordinary book. So don't treat it like one. Don't read it under randomly flip the book to any page and start from there. Don't be afraid to scribble, write, doodle, mark, fold, dog ear, bend, or use the book as a hat. That last one is even encouraged in one of the pages. There's no right way or wrong way to read or use this book, and it's only got one rule. Go crazy! And this, they have some extra things every page. See? Every page you can, as you can see there, that, and etc. And sort of cool stuff like hopping frog origami, paper airplane, boomerang, dartboard, lots of fun stuff, and it says Boredom Busters 4. And some languages like Korean. I didn't read it all. I just buy this today, and I will read it later. So bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe me.